Recovering deleted messages on Stripe can be challenging, but there are steps you can take to try and retrieve them. Follow this guide to explore your options. Step 1. Check your email notifications. Look for any email notifications from Stripe regarding the messages you are trying to recover. Stripe often sends email confirmations or updates that may contain the information you need. Step 2. Log into your Stripe account. Access your Stripe account by visiting the Stripe website and logging in with your credentials. This will allow you to check your account settings and message history. Step 3. Review the dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for any sections related to messages or communication history. Some information may still be accessible from here. Step 4. Contact Stripe support. If you cannot find the deleted messages, reach out to Stripe's customer support. Provide them with details about the messages and request assistance in recovering them. Step 5. Check backup solutions. If you have any backup solutions in place, such as exporting data regularly, check those backups for the deleted messages. Restoring from a backup may be your best option if the messages are not retrievable through Stripe. In conclusion, while recovering deleted messages on Stripe can be difficult, following these steps may help you find the information you need or get assistance from support.